Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to dive into a product that every camping enthusiast will appreciate, the Outdoor Camping Mess Kit, a compact dinnerware set designed for 1 to 2 people. We discovered this handy set online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Outdoor Camping Mess Kit is a thoughtfully designed camping dish set that caters to outdoor dining experiences. It comes complete with everything you need for a meal under the stars, including cups, bowls, plates, knives, forks, spoons, chopsticks, and even a couple of handy rags. All of these items are neatly packed into a mesh bag, making it easy to carry along on your adventures. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. It's suitable for both solo campers and those who enjoy dining with a friend or partner. The compact design means you can easily fit it into your backpack without taking up too much space. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a picnic in the park, this set is designed to meet your needs. Now, let's talk about some of the impressive features of this mess kit. Each cup comes with an insulating sleeve, which is a thoughtful touch that allows you to enjoy hot drinks without the risk of burning your hands. The cutlery is stored in a dedicated bag, making it easy to carry and ensuring that you won't misplace any of your utensils. Plus, the included rag can double as a coaster, adding another layer of practicality to this kit. The materials used in this camping cookware set are also worth mentioning. Made from high-grade stainless steel, the utensils and dishes are not only durable but also easy to clean. This means you can toss them in the dishwasher after your trip for hassle-free maintenance. It's a set that's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while providing you with reliable and attractive dining options. So, who is this camping mess kit suitable for? If you're someone who loves to explore the outdoors, whether it's camping, hiking, or picnicking, this set is perfect for you. It's also a great choice for those who want to enjoy a meal in nature without the fuss of traditional dining equipment. Additionally, if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a friend or family member who enjoys outdoor activities, this mess kit could be just what you need. Let's explore a few practical use cases for this kit. Imagine setting up a cozy campsite after a long day of hiking, and you're ready to prepare a warm meal. With this mess kit, you can easily heat up soup or cook pasta over a campfire, serving it in the included bowls. After your meal, simply pack everything back into the mesh bag for easy transport. Or perhaps you're on a day trip and want to enjoy a picnic in the park. This kit allows you to carry your favorite snacks and drinks comfortably while ensuring you have everything you need to dine outdoors. In conclusion, the Outdoor Camping Mess Kit is an essential addition to your camping gear, providing convenience, durability, and practicality for outdoor dining. It's perfect for individuals or couples looking to enjoy a meal in nature without the hassle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.